one, yeah. Alright, little sound test. See what we doing here, man. Listen. We've been sound testing, I feel like, forever. Oh boy. Give me that back, player. Give me that back. Oh, look at that sucker. What you got, baby? You came with attitude. Hey, punk. Hey, punk. Huh?
Can you say punk in your screen?
Can I say heen punk?
Mm-hmm.
Jay! Let's see. Can we say heme punk in our screen? You're the gamer, right, Jay?
Yeah.
Your stepmom wants to know: can you say heme punk in a gaming stream?
Yeah, you can.
See, told you. Let's go. Come on, punk! Heme punk! Punk!
What is that thing?
You know what I'm saying? Heme punk! Oh, you different, my boy. Shoot him, son! Shoot him, son! A heme punk?
Yeah.
Well, you call us punks all the time. Punk?
Yeah, I'm here with it. I'm not.
Told you something
Oh,
was
say.
And I told you not to speak.
Unless spoken to, my boy. Come on, let her get another one.
You talking about letter? Most of letter.
Don't be like this. I'm guessing this right about now. I'm guessing this. I don't know if I'm true. I don't know if I'm right.
Fire troll burned Mother's garden. Since when are drawers so close to the house? And what was that frozen thing that attacked us?
I do not know.
I don't know,
Now
my
be
boy.
silent.
You're asking a lot of questions. Sound check time.